Hi, my name is Zelman, but everyone calls me Z. Me, my mom, and my wife manage, own, and run the Chez Leandra restaurant on Orient Bay in St. Martin. We've been open for more than 20 years, providing good customer service and one of the best local foods on the island. Unfortunately, we live and work on a beautiful island that is frequently hit by hurricanes. October 2014, we were hit by a Hurricane Gonzalo that damaged the restaurant. We rebuilt, we reopened. Then the government told us they want to demolish and rebuild all of the restaurants on Orient Bay. Yeah, after we repaired all of the damages caused by Hurricane Gonzalo, that's the news that we got after about 3 months. It took them almost a year and a half to rebuild a beautiful 85% wooden restaurant on Orient Bay, on an island that is frequently hit by hurricanes. Then they tried to raise our rent by 5 times. But after a peaceful protest, they decided to just raise it by 3. They rebuilt, we reopened. September 2017, we were hit by Hurricane Irma that completely destroyed our restaurant. After not hearing a word from the government, we decided to rebuild the bar and buy a shipping container so we could turn it into the restaurant. 4 months after Irma, we rebuilt, we reopened. The first bar to reopen on Orient Bay after Hurricane Irma. As of August the 1st, 2018, Chez Leandra's doors are closed once again. The government wants to clean the rest of the debris that was left back by Irma, so we had to remove the container and break down the bar. The government said that we will definitely be getting our spot back, but we have to rebuild our restaurant, deck, and bar. Everything must be removable in case of another hurricane. We enjoyed working together in our small family restaurant, and we hope to continue for another 20 plus years. We're asking everybody who has been to our beautiful island to please help us to rebuild our livelihood. All the funds raised will go towards the rebuilding of Chez Leandra on Orient Bay, St. Martin.
So that we can go there if you are. We can go there if you are. Yeah, we can go there if you are. We can go there if you are. Said hello there. It's been so long, yeah. It's been so long. Said hello there. It's been so long, yeah. It's been so long. From the car to the plane, through the hills on a train.
It's functioning pretty good. I mean, sometimes when the weather is bad, it's a little rough, but most likely, I mean, after the hurricane, it's been pretty good. We had a lot of support from a lot of regulars, and people start coming back to the island. We're starting to build back up slowly, so we're getting better. We're getting better. Every day is getting better.
How has the hurricane affected you?
I mean, it affected a lot of people on the island. bottom of the hill, no other way to go but back up. So Mr. Masons can complain about it. Just pick yourself up,